Imagine crispy chicken wings, golden fries, or a perfectly roasted 5-pound chicken, all without the greasy aftermath of deep frying or hours slaving over a hot oven. This Cosori Pro Gen 2 air fryer, 5.8 quart, makes this dream a reality, blending cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and user-friendly features to revolutionize your cooking. Whether you're a busy parent, a health-conscious foodie, or a novice chef, this air fryer delivers restaurant-quality results with minimal effort. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this upgraded air fryer is a must-have, diving into its standout features, real-world performance, and why it's worth every penny. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Why choose the Cosori Pro Gen 2 air fryer 5.8 quart? The Cosori Pro Gen 2 isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade. With a 5.8 quart capacity, 13 one-touch cooking functions, and a dishwasher-safe detachable square basket, it's designed to make cooking faster, healthier, and more enjoyable. This air fryer tackles common pain points like high oil consumption, uneven cooking, and tedious cleanup, offering a seamless experience for both beginners and seasoned cooks. Its sleek black design and stable performance make it a stylish, reliable addition to any countertop. Key features that set it apart: healthier cooking with less oil. Uses up to 85% less oil than traditional deep frying, delivering crispy textures without the health drawbacks. Enjoy guilt-free fries, wings, and more. Lightning-fast cooking. Cooks up to 50% faster than conventional ovens, saving you precious time on busy weeknights. Large 5.8 quart capacity. The square basket fits a 5-pound whole chicken or enough food for 3 to 5 people, with extra corner space for maximum flexibility. 13. One-touch cooking functions. Pre-programmed settings for steak, chicken, seafood, shrimp, bacon, fries, veggies, and more, fine-tuned by Cosori chefs for perfect results. Precision temperature control. The built-in NTC sensor maintains temperatures within 3 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring evenly cooked meals every time. Mess-free cleanup. The nonstick dishwasher-safe basket makes post-cooking cleanup a breeze, no scrubbing required. Recipe inspiration. Galore. Comes with 100 paper recipes and access to 1,100 online recipes, complete with portion sizes, cook times, and temperatures. Real-world performance. Crispy, flavorful, and effortless. I put the Cosori Pro Gen 2 through its paces, testing everything from crispy zucchini fries to a juicy rotisserie-style chicken. The results? Consistently impressive. The rapid 360-degree air circulation technology ensures even browning and crispiness, rivaling deep-fried foods without the oily residue. For example, a batch of homemade fries took just 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, emerging golden and crunchy with only a teaspoon of oil. The one-touch functions are a game-changer. Select fries, and the air fryer automatically sets the ideal time and temperature, leaving no guesswork. The 5.8 quart square basket is a standout for families. Unlike round baskets, the square design maximizes space, allowing me to cook a 5-pound chicken with room for roasted veggies on the side. The shake reminder feature, which beeps halfway through cooking, ensures even results for items like wings or nuggets. Plus, the non-stick coating lived up to its promise. Grease and crumbs wiped away effortlessly, and the basket cleaned perfectly in the dishwasher. Who is this air fryer perfect for? The Cosori Pro Gen 2 is ideal for busy families, cook large, healthy meals quickly for 3 to 5 people. Health-conscious cooks, enjoy fried favorites with up to 85% less oil. Beginner chefs, one-touch functions and 1,200 plus recipes make cooking foolproof. Small kitchens, its compact footprint and sleek design fit any countertop. Why it's a smart investment. At its price point, the Cosori Pro Gen 2 offers unmatched value. The combination of large capacity, versatile cooking functions, and easy cleanup makes it a versatile tool that replaces multiple appliances. Compared to brands like Ninja or Philips, Cosori's recipe library and customer support stand out, ensuring you get the most out of your purchase. Plus, with 100 paper recipes and 1,100 online recipes, you'll never run out of meal ideas, from crispy shrimp to decadent desserts. Final verdict: a must-have for modern kitchens, the Cosori Pro Gen 2 Air Fryer. 5.8 quart is a powerhouse that delivers on every front: health, speed, ease, and flavor. Its 13 one-touch functions, large capacity, and dishwasher-safe design make it a no-brainer for anyone looking to simplify cooking without sacrificing taste. Whether you're whipping up a quick weeknight dinner or impressing guests with a perfectly roasted chicken, this air fryer has you covered. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.